If you love unlimited food, this is your sign now to visit Food Club Your Lifestyle Buffet. No need mapunta sa Manila because they just opened their new branch in the south. They are located at second floor East Wing Festival Mall, Alabang, near Water Garden. They serve Filipino, Japanese, Chinese, and Western cuisine, from appetizers to desserts. And everything is unlimited, kaya sobrang sulit talaga for its price. Very clean, cozy, and Instagrammable pa ng place and their staff. All of them are very approachable and accommodating.
Welcome to Food Club, Philippines Festival Mall.
Naghanap pa kami ng grill ng friend ko kasi nakakita kami ng raw meats. Yun pala, nag-offer din pala sila ng shabu-shabu here. Just request lang from their stop if you want one. As in, all of your favorite dishes is nandito na. Ma-o-overwhelm ka talaga sa sobrang dami ng pagkain dito. But in all fair, lahat naman na nakuha namin is masarap. And yung pinaka nagustuhan ko rin dito is yung nag-customize ako ng halo-halo ko. Super favorite ko kasi yung nata sa halo-halo. Kaya dito talagang dinamihan ko yung kuha ng nata sa halo-halo ko. They're also perfect for birthdays, family gatherings, barkada food trips, and even huge group celebrations because they also offer VIP rooms to accommodate their guests. They're open from 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. for lunchtime and 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. naman for dinner time. You can message them directly for reservations. Kaya what are you waiting for? Bring your family or friends at Food Club Festival Mall and celebrate your occasions with them. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!